Hello folks, yes, it's another day out on the streets, and I've always been following a vegan chef from Jamaica on Instagram, and recently he won a big competition on Food Network, and is somebody who I've always seen and see him work and like it, and so recently, as I said, he won a competition on Food Network, and usually when you do that you take off, but this gentleman is so humble and so down to earth, and even more so recently he got a position as an executive chef at a local vegan restaurant in Southflow, and I'm gonna check it out. Yes, I'm gonna order some food, and I go try the thing and see how the thing work. So come with me now, out the road with it. This is Out and About. We'll check out South Florida vegan restaurant. Me Hungry is the name, and we're right at Broward Blvd and 441. Broward Blvd and 441. Come check out Me Hungry. Me Hungry Restaurant is a vegetarian spot located, as I said before, at the intersection of Broward Blvd and 441. It's a quaint little spot, very homely feel, and nicely decorated Jamaican restaurant with a good, nice, airy vibe. The menu, I come to find out, was created especially for the chef that took up the job there, which is Chef Kriss Koffii, a gentleman who I've long seen on Instagram, as I said before, and saw that he's making waves. We got a chance to talk to him, although he was very busy, and we started discussing what we're gonna eat, what he was gonna prepare for us. And trust me, we couldn't wait to dive in. Your chickpeas, them little thing there. And the rice there.
You decide.
The shelly and fragrant. That thing, shelly and fragrant rice and peas.
Yeah, man, because when him start in the morning, I'm just start pop up the rice. You say, yeah, man.
So you have that?
Yeah, we have the shelly and
You decide what the other two is.
No, I bring out the jamins, the rasta pasta, and I'm gonna do the mango bowl.
Alright, so
okay. Decided to try the Jammin Delight. Of course, I'm a juice girl. Beetroot juice. It has beetroot, carrot, and apple, sweetened with honey. So it looks very rich. And nostalgia, D&G cola champagne. This was my favorite soda growing up. Any day I would draw for a cola champagne. Yeah.
And while we did our little sipping, the chef went round there and whipped up the first thing, the Me Hungry bowl with some vegan oxtail. Look, man, go on.
You guys, this is the oxtail. Awesome. With curry chickpeas, we have some rice that looks like basmati rice and kale. So this is vegan oxtail. I don't know what it is, but I can tell you it look good. Remember, I tell you, look good.
Sounds like mushroom.
Wow. Come on, guys, dig in, because this is a wow.
I'm not even lying.
How is it, Josh?
It's so good.
It's really good. You have to try the oxtail.
The nuts.
And of course, this recipe is highly held in secret. Yeah, the recipe I can't give out like that. You see me? Let mama tell you. No, man.
You love it?
And the shelly rice.
Shelly rice. Shell. Remember I tell you. It's so good.
Let me try this.
That's the curried chickpeas of the chain, right?
Food good. Now food, yeah? Food. I'm glad I come. Glad I come. Remember. Words cannot express how good this plate of food tastes. The curry was on point. The chickpeas was perfect. The mushrooms that was used to make the oxtail was perfect. Guys, I was so excited when the chef said, come watch him look about the next course round at the kitchen. I was in heaven. It was a good experience to see how the chef worked and what the chef could do. Hey, may I tell you the truth?
Jamming wings, you know?
These are the wings. Jamming wings. 100% vegan. No compromise. You understand? And no animal was murdered in the production of this food.
Comfort food, you know?
Remember me tell you. Awesome.
Get the.
Awesome.
Right.
You talk about gourmet, you know. A gourmet food, you talk about, you know, brother. You understand? And now we have the Rasta pasta curry version. Watch it. Trust me. See that? See that? Yeah? Make move. So the chef made some vegan wings in a spicy barbecue sauce for us. And he also made a creamy curry pasta with vegan shrimp. We couldn't wait to dive in. That's Rasta pasta.
Okay, with a curry.
With the curry sauce.
It's super hot. I think you have shrimp.
How is it, Josh? It's good. How is it, see?
It's very good with vegan shrimp taste.
That's good, right?
I don't know what it tastes like, but it tastes.
Tastes like meat. It has a shrimp vibe to it.
Just show them one more time.
Pasta's good.
Dish, you guys. Look at all the fresh ingredients. You see sprigs of thyme, scallion, carrots, pasta, and whatever it is that he used to make a vegan shrimp. Right here is a vegan shrimp. It tastes good. It's
good,
nice.
right? Make you want to stop eating meat,
Flavorful. Trust me. You don't miss meat if you eat like this. If you get a good chef to cook for you, you don't need to wonder about any kind of meat.
This morning I tried to make the thing.
Go ahead, guys. Try the
Okay.
jamming wings.
To jam in vegan wings. There's a bone in there. Okay. I don't know where the bone came from. Hold on. What is this? No. How? It's too strong. How is this not chicken? Like, seriously, how is this not chicken? The texture and everything mimics chicken. I mean, no. I need to talk to the chef.
You need to talk to the chef. How it tastes, Josh? That one.
This is crazy. Okay, you guys. So this is my vegan chicken wing, and I was wondering what was the bone. So the bone is obviously a skewer, but the meat, the texture is perfect. The taste is out of this world. The flavor is, oh my god, I'm done. Where meat I go? Where real chicken wing I go? Awesome.
Alright. So this is a regular meal. And this gentleman says he's been here before, but he might try. How the food, my brother?
It tastes like meat.
It tastes like meat, no? And the curry is solid, no? The rice shelly.
Solid. It's good. Not too much, not too little. Perfect.
Make you want to eat vegetable more often, right?
Yes, sir.
Blessings here, sir. Blessings.
Trust me, these wings taste so good, guys. I had to share it with one of the customers here. This gentleman, I had to have him try it, and as you can see by the look on his face, it was one of disbelief. Not only was it flavorful and flavor packed, but it had the texture, the whole vibe of meat. It tastes like chicken. I mean, he had to ask the question once again, is this chicken? He could not believe. And I'm telling you guys, I'm doing my best to convince you that you need to experience what Chef Koffii does. You need to go check him out at Myonga restaurant. Quick too.
The sauce. Oh.
No, man.
Where's about it, chef?
This is not a vegetable. Lime tell. This is a meat.
Meat with skewer bone?
This is crazy. For real, right, Josh? Man, I don't know. This gone. This gone.
Shell.
Mm-hmm.
That's the bone right there.
So after we had devoured this meal, we had a chance to sit with Chef Koffii and rap a little bit, to learn a little bit more about the individual, to get to meet him more and to find out what drives him, what motivates him. And his story is a very interesting one. It is not unlike other immigrants who found their way to the United States and did what they had to do to step it up and to come up and be the best that they can be. Here what Chef Koffii say.
Alright, so this is the man, Chef Make Move, Chef Koffii. Alright. Big on the Instagram, you understand, and as a Jamaican, in a foreign area, you do your thing, you make your name be known. Talk to the people there. What is Chef about?
You know, chef is just always about busting up people's taste buds wickedly, you know what I mean? And we really try to bring a new, younger style to the thing. You know what I mean? I'm only 29, you know what I mean? I'm not the old robotic. It's all about style, flavor, vibes, you know? But like we said earlier, principles. You always have to have the principles and everything. I went to 2 culinary schools, did 6 years in the military, got Afghanistan 3 times, did a lot of private chef while I was in the military, came out, been struggling back and forth to New York, leave my family, go back to school. You know, with 2 schools in New York, and then every time I went to school, it was almost like a lifeline. I was broke, and you know, they'll pay me to go to school. And I said, you know what, man, I'm just go to school for something else. So I went to a vegan culinary school, and I went to a classical French school in New York, both in Manhattan. You know, and then while I was there, I was, you know, leaving jobs back and forth out of New York. You know, that's sad to say, but you know, during that time frame, I realized, I said, yo, I have to do my own thing. Right.
So
because I get frustrated where I get hired to do a job and say, okay, yo, he depend on me, and then I'm realizing, yo, I'm putting out for this chef here. And all I'm is, I know I'm just a number. So, you know, with that being said, you know, I'm just traveling to do my own thing, you know. And so we're here now as executive chef, you know what I mean, I'm hungry, create the menu, and you know what I mean, who knows? What I'm serving here is vegan, but guess what, the best thing about this is that we can do alkaline, we can do ital, we can do diabetic, we can do salt.
Exactly.
Like we have a thing called VVIP hours. You know, we go next door, you say, yo, you want a specific type of ingredient of pasta, go next door and I chef it up for you. So we deal with one man come here all the time and he'll pay extra. Say, yo, chef, give me something ital, no salt, okra. I said, well, we don't have okra now. So don't worry, sir, I'll go next door, I'll get you the okra, you come and you pay. VVIP, all access, all inclusive. You know, so we say vegan nowadays to just kind of be a part of the language, but deep down inside,
but it's deeper than that.
We're just waiting for the right moment to strike and say, yo, the ital establishment. So even me being in this neighborhood like this, you know, it can be a little tough because predominantly Caribbean, and nothing's not going to stop a man from slapping a jerk chicken or
exactly.
from having his griot and bun and pezzy, you know. But at the same time, no, we're just here, you know.
And that awareness is crazy because, you know, our Jamaican food, we love it, it's nice, really, but it's not necessarily the healthiest thing. So now you are present, you know, like the wings and the neck steel and everything there. And you know, lose no flavor, you know, chef.
You know, tell them about the shelly and fragrant rice
and peas. Shelly and all and peas, the rice and peas, shelled out. Watch it. We just basically eat some little thing and we barely full enough. So you say, yeah, watch it. She shall show all the plate that they clean up. If me have a piece of bread, say, me I wipe out that. But as I said, you know, it's a pleasure to meet you. I know your Instagram is, give me your Instagram handle.
Chef Kriss Koffii, ChefKrisskofi. My mother called me Kris, you know, and everything is Kris. And then Kofi, when I went to Ghana, one of my brethren said, yo, what day were you born on? And today's a Friday. Yo, you're reborn again. Friday in 3 languages in Ghana is Kofi.
Awesome.
So you don't see the connection with the coffee and store from
man, straight.
So you know, so even with the flavors, you know, I'm just, you know, we're developing now because trust me, if I ever cross the 95 and reach another them big old tourist place.
Yeah, man, where we appear minuscule for some big price and things.
And I can go with the same menu across the road
and hike it up.
But, you know, man, we're being reasonable, but you know, sometimes we try to help the community, and it's not even to say help the community because everybody have them life to live, but at the same time we're just providing a way for us and for the younger ones to come up, because I'm not the first one to do it, but at the same time I am the first one to do it because there's nobody else like me in the world. There's only one me.
I just want you.
Big man thing. One me. So man. My style, my style.
And you know what?
Inspired from other styles.
It's a pleasure. As I said, I don't normally do one-on-one interviews, but as I said, I've been following the work, and me as a youth I'm very critical because I fool around the kitchen as well, and I'm very critical. But when me taste something, I see something being executed, and I know that the standard is way up, I have to give them the props. And a long time I watch up on Instagram, and I see the move, and it's a pleasure. Honestly, it's a pleasure.
And you know what? The Instagram thing, I really started off on Instagram because when I was in the army, I was so stressed out that the only thing I can really do is just go home and cook. But you see the Instagram thing coming like a box because not for everybody know a chef now, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In 2014, I transitioned on vegan, and them time that vegan wasn't really commercial like that.
Right.
Being a chef, because nobody really wants to do what a chef really does.
Right.
And that's work in a restaurant. Everybody
Exactly.
want to be a private chef, and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I've had the exposure to do many of them. You know what I mean? So everybody say, yo, man, they on Instagram, I cook for these clients and stuff, but when them come in here now and consistently have to whip up that Rasta pasta,
It's a different thing. And you know what? At the end of the day, health is wealth. Bottom line is, if you can spend money on your own body, on your own wealth, on the longevity, because I know said all the nuts still are alkaline food. That.
oh, you mean?
Cool, no, man. So me know say that what we just consume is doing something good for our body. It's not just filler. You understand what I say?
Virgin, when you see a man come and say, yo, Virgin, I felt like I haven't eaten in months. And girl say, well, I made you fried rice yesterday. So we know why it's a problem, you know, when you come eat my food, you know.
No, well, if come touch the Shelly and fragrance. No.
Shelly and fragrance, because you know what? This is the only Caribbean spot, Jamaican background, that you're going to come in and get a gunga rice and piece of basmati rice.
Straight, long grain rice when now sticky. Long grain rice and something in your belly feel light same way.
I guess that if you don't want rice, remember we have to come in everybody, you know. Remember, we can help people from the transition vegan. We have the little vegan veggie wings.
Right.
But then we have the green matic curry. We have spirulina.
Right.
Kale for the highest man who say, yo, I want some high top.
I want to go all raw.
So we cannot combine them within the spectrum, you know.
Yes, sir.
So if you don't want rice, we have the wickedest stir fry king. I just throw the quinoa when I'm a quinoa, right?
Cool, man. Hey, it's a beginning this and another end, you know.
Yo, it wasn't my goal, but one of my goals for the upcoming years, I would love to open up a fine dining or a fine casual space where a man will say, you know what, more go Chef Koffii spot, but guess what, I have to put on a suit or button up a shirt.
And come they look good. Because you know, say you get that star cuisine.
I a Caribbean spot, vegan. We don't have that, you know, and the Europeans, them, they have it locked. But guess what? The chefing thing already fit them. Through it, put a circle in our way, you know?
Yeah, and do a thing, yeah, man.
That's a food style. So all my restaurant may have even something like that, you know, family-oriented spot, but you still have to put on your shirt.
You know what I can say in my little time where I've been in this restaurant, I've seen all different types of people come in.
Everybody.
And it means that you're making an impact right here in your little space. And as I say, it's just a big up. And I'm from Lauderdale Blvd TV. I'm telling you, it's a pleasure to not only meet the eye, but to share and eat what the eye provide. And I'm going to back yourself. I'm going to endorse your full 100 on my channel. But I have a lot of people who are at the age, you know, where them not only considering them lifestyle, but considering what them putting on them body. And so if them know them, there's an option in Broward and Broward Blvd and 441 where them can come get something right now. Yeah, and if them can find you, Chef Koffii, anywhere you're there, them are going to find you. So my audience there. You see me? So I just want to say, blessings here, sir. Big up, and it's a pleasure.
Yeah, man, give time.
All right, sir. Blessings.
So with our plates cleaned thoroughly and our bellies totally full, we slowly but surely had to make our way out of the restaurant. We were there until they shut down for the evening, and it was just a nice vibe, a good yardy vibe, you know, being at Myongre restaurant. Here's our final analysis on the whole thing.
So guys, that about sums up our vegan experience. Where you going? Yeah, our vegan experience at Myongre vegan restaurant. It was off the chain. We were in awe of the fact that that food was actually not meat. You guys ever love the flavor, man?
Trust me.
The chicken tastes really good.
The chicken
Or
wing?
the vegan chicken.
Yeah, the
Let
vegan
me tell you
wings.
something. The menu was created by the chef, and as I said, this guy has a lot of experience under his belt, and so it wasn't even so much that I wanted just a vegetarian restaurant or a vegan restaurant. I wanted to taste what the people on Food Network taste when he won the the grocery games. I wanted to taste what all those private people taste when he does the private chef job at Sunny Isles and Coral Gables and Miami Beach, and I wanted to make sure I was part of who him cater to.
And you actually felt that way, like you were being personally catered to. It was a private chef type of vibe.
And the man cook the food on spot. When you go on order, the only thing that is already pre-prepped is like the rice. And the rice, oh Lord, the rice. Would I take a bowl of the rice?
What is it called? Shelly
and fragrant.
Shelly and fragrant rice. It was awesome.
The rice, Shelly, basmati rice with gongo peas. The vegan shrimp, the rasta pasta.
Don't even talk about the oxtail, you guys.
Trust me.
His take on oxtail, the vegan version of it.
You don't miss. When meat I go.
The bomb.
Trust me.
The bomb. Let me tell you, the flavors are on point. Why is this little kid in the back of the show? The flavors are, trust me, you won't miss meat at all. And then how it does it, it doesn't mimic like a big chunk of oxtail. When you cook your oxtail till it starts to come off of the bone, that is the vibe that you get from those pieces of
but so Joshua reaction when he bite the chicken.
Oh yeah. Joshua was like, how does it have bone? Because they put it on a skewer, so it's pretty much not very visible before you bite off the meat off of it, so you want to think that this is a bone that you're holding. It's really a skewer, but amazing, I tell you. I'm glad we came.
Once again, I just want to big up Chef Kriss Koffii, Chef Make Move, and I want to thank him for allowing me to go into the kitchen and film. And again, I've never met the gentleman. It's the first time I'm meeting him, but it's come like we know one another a long time. And also, I want to just tell people that I'm gonna put his information in the link for now, so that anywhere in there you can find him. And as usual, if you want to eat some good food, I recommend what I just had. I recommend it highly. When we were in there, a bunch of other folks got in there. You saw the reaction to some of the persons who allowed us to film them. The people them loved the food, and the food was good. We're not taking that video too long, but we're going back out and about again. This is the first of many out and about.
So
Lauderdale TV.
What would you recommend? I would recommend the Me Hungry Bowl. If you go there, eat the Me Hungry Bowl.
Yeah, man, the Me Hungry Bowl is 100%. Yeah, it fully up to, as a matter of fact, the tray we eat one bowl.
Yeah, it is actually a fruit bowl. Those big.
And the curry chickpeas, the curry salad, the curry chickpeas.
Solid.
Yeah, so guys, as I said, get out and get it. ASAP. Broward Blvd TV, Natural Aeronomics, Josh the food lover. Remember me tell you, out and about in the Middle East.